Okay, guys. I have here cell phone from my customer. The issue is when you power on the cell phone, it will auto shut down. And if you connect the charger and power it on, the phone will turn on. So the solution for this problem is the battery fuse. So we need to disassemble and get the battery. After getting the battery out, you need to jumper the battery fuse. That's very simple. I already done jumper the fuse. So let's have a try if the phone will auto shut down even no charger connected. Boom! So if you encounter this issue, this video is for you.